放眼望去，火舌夹杂浓烟向上窜烧，斜坡上已成一片火海，另一头还有车辆已成废铁，骇人烟雾不止把天空照红，熏眼又难闻的气味，整片区域能见度也趋近于零。
Wow. Okay.
从空拍往下看，画面更惊人。只见一整条火线顺着地势向下蔓延，还有好几区成了小火坑。白天画面同样吓人，就算火势已陆续控制住，整块山丘已经焦黑一片。
The fire is currently estimated at over 2,200 acres, and we have 700 firefighting personnel assigned. Because of the great work of the firefighters that were on scene, we have only a minimal number of homes destroyed.
加州这场大火沿着太平洋海岸高速公路向南蔓延到沿海城市马里布，由于强风加上低湿度，火舌一路向下蔓延。不止洛杉矶以北路段被迫关闭，数千名南加州居民也收到疏散令和警告。
Everything, all these mountains were covered in flames, just covered. Like you took a crayon and just colored everything.
It has definitely been a stressful and very tiring night.
附近学校上百名学生也因为野火肆虐，一度躲到校内图书馆避难。幸好学校的人工湖和洒水系统起了作用，隔天全校也已宣布停课。
Climate scientists say this is a trend that could extend fire season in California by a couple, if not 3 weeks in the coming generation.
从原本2公顷范围，一夕之间扩大到737公顷。目前，加州已从联邦紧急事务管理局获得火灾管理援助拨款，将全力用于救灾和重建家园。所以新闻黄晨报道。